Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cookwithrayo. In today's video we are going to be making this delicious oven baked chinchin. Guess what, it's so amazing and you definitely need to try it out. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video, shall we? For my recipe, I'm gonna be using all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, full cream milk, egg, baking powder, nutmeg, and salt to taste. You can check the description box for the full details on the ingredients. So I'm gonna be starting by adding all my dry ingredients together, then I will whisk it well to combine. Then I'm going to be adding my chilled butter. Make sure your butter is very cold. So we are going to work in with our hand, make sure that we mix everything well till we have sandy texture. So yeah, it get messy and this is what I'm talking about. This is this texture you want to have. After that, we're gonna make a hole, add your egg, and then I'm going to be adding my milk bit by bit because I don't want the dough to be too thick. So now we're gonna go kneading. We are just going to be kneading this till our dough is formed, and then add your milk bit by bit. It can get messy, it's okay. So once the dough started forming, I'm just gonna transfer it to my work surface so I can knead it very well. We don't want to over knead it for just 5 minutes. So once it's well formed, we are just going to transfer it into the bowl and then cover it and let it sit in a room temperature for 15 to 30 minutes. So here comes my favorite part. This is what it's looking like after 30 minutes. Then I'm just going to put some extra flour on the table to work our dough because we are going to be rolling it and cut it into the shapes of chinchin. So I went ahead and put some butter on the oven tray, and then I'm going to be transferring it, and by this time I've already turned on the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to be putting the chinchin into the oven tray. Make sure you didn't overcrown it. So this is what it's looking like. Now comes the baking time. Make sure you are not baking it on anything more than 160 degrees Celsius because we don't want it to be burned. And then the first 5 minutes, make sure you turn it. You have to be turning it while you're baking it. So our oven baked chinchin is ready to serve after 20 minutes. Guys, you have to try this. This recipe is a must try, to be honest. Even if you haven't tried any recipe on my channel, kindly try this because it's got everyone asking for more and it's so delicious. So see you guys in another video. Until then, be healthy, be fine, be happy. Love you guys. Bye.